बाल ठीक नहीं है मेरे. I read this article on Substack, and it said, like, it was about how unconsciously we have men-centric mind, and that too unconsciously. And let me explain. वो बहुत अच्छा explanation है, मतलब वो पढ़ने लायक, ठीक है. मतलब it explained how we think बहुत ज़्यादा about men, and they just exist, not in our life, just exist. There was a great explanation. Every woman out there should read it, because I found it randomly, and once I read it, oh, it's another level of satisfaction. I got a pimple. I am getting a pimple. How we unconsciously centralize men, be it anyone, and most of the time हमें पता ही नहीं होता है कि वो इंसान कौन है. बस वो हमारे सामने से निकल गया, हमारी नज़रों में आ गया है, ठीक है. Absolutely nothing happened, or maybe something like some sort of eye contact happened, but that's all. और हमें लगता है कि भाई there is some sort of connection. It's not about being single. It's just made our mind in such a way that now it is men-centric. So everyone must read that. Now, why am I talking about it? I'm talking about it because I read a lot and lots of fictional novels, and especially romance books. And in that, one thing is very common. Like, there's many things that is common, but one thing that I find common in each and every book is that when a guy or a male character is in love with his women, that she don't have to do anything, like her existence is enough for him. But when I read this, it just contradicted, because I get it. The reason why most of the girls out there crying because of their boyfriends or husbands is because of this, because we have this mentality which is insanely men-centric. So why is it a big deal? Because not every woman out there is reading the same genre as I am, but one thing that contradicts the reality and books fiction is this, in my opinion. And it explains a lot. Not about myself, but friends are in contact with me. I've seen them crying over a man. I've seen them crying and begging for their attention, constant assurance, reassurance. Like, constantly, they want that. And why are men out here in the real world doing this? Because of our mindset. Before our men-centric mindset, we are not getting what we want, and we want everything, because on the internet, in the books, articles, people who actually are in love, and they have a different story, they have a different tale to tell. What tale they tell is that they are in love, you know. And the actual definition of them being in love is very simple, you know. Coexistence of two people with different mindset, different personalities, everything differs, but the compatibility is that keeps them together. The friendship, that is what keeps them together, and that is the reason why they're happy, and they have a very, 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 very different definition of love relationship. So all about how women deals with it, how good of a mindset we have about the world and people. It's all about us. It's all about us, and it's all for us again, because we are the one crying. They are not crying. They'll do whatever it takes to get you back. We can't do that. then there is obsession. So we can't do that. And even if we do, yeah, not accepted. And I get it, not everyone wants to be accepted. They do it out of chill. But that's that. In conclusion, reality and fiction can be same if we let ourselves be free of it all. No boundaries, like boundaries as in, कुएं का मेंढक नहीं बनना है, वो वाली boundaries. Not the good boundaries कि भाई सबको परमिशन दे दी सबके लिए. No, not that. And not restricting our territory कि भाई इसके आगे नहीं. मतलब अपने पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कैसे हो गया, हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि दुनिया कितनी बड़ी है और कितनी सुंदर है. चीज़ नहीं करेंगे अगर हम हमारा दिमाग ही नहीं खोलेंगे, अगर हम बंद करके बैठेंगे तो हाउ इज़ इट पॉसिबल, हाउ द हेल इज़ इट पॉसिबल. बाय अलाउइंग आवरसेल्फ टू बी फ्री and to have it all, because we deserve it. We deserve it all. Why do guys, men, boys have all the fun? Why? That's that. This is me, Lavanya Parashar, signing off.